Installation is complete. Black and gold looks really good. Got 3 different color options: yellow, neutral, and cold blue. Let's try the fan. You got fan speed at 1. And even 1's already a nice breeze. And we can make it go to 6. Which is pretty fast. No shaking, no wiggling. You've got timers. You got 2-hour timer, 4-hour timer. You can reverse. So pretty full set of features. See if we can reduce the dim it a little bit. Yeah, definitely dimmed. A little bit brighter. Yeah, not too bad. And it looks great.